Models can run as scheduled or batch jobs to generate reports, can be linked to a self-service web form called launchers, or hosted an interactive dashboard as a web application. You can build web applications using frameworks such as Shiny, Dash, Flask, or Streamlit, and scale them by choosing from a set of configurations, including who can see these. Access to the dashboard will be tracked automatically, so it's easy to see value and usage. There's no need to learn Kubernetes or involve any other teams. Once published, your app is able to be consumed by the business owners who tasked you with solving the problem in the first place. If you've ever needed to share a script or found yourself running the same tasks, such as batch inference or data cleaning, self-service web forms or launchers provides this functionality for you. Consumers of your project can upload data and specify parameters that are neatly consumed by your code. A separate permission level is available for launcher users, which limits them to only use launchers and access those results. And launchers execute Domino jobs, maintaining all of the exact tracking for reproducibility and auditability. Generating reports or running models ad hoc is accomplished through Domino jobs. I can choose the bundle of packages and libraries and version I need through the environment and customize my hardware. I can then set the cadence I need to run my code and automatically send customizable emails to team leads or stakeholders.